Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Daniel Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online listening to music. Any music you're going to listen online, you're going to get paid. I'm going to be showing you 3 websites on how you can make money online listening to music. Before I go, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on the notification bell in order to get my video whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting our time, let's just go straight to this website. The first website I'm going to be showing you is called Cash for Minutes. Cash for Minutes is a website that pays you for listening music. It's easy, it's free, and it's legit. All you have to do in Cash for Minutes is just 3 simple tasks, and that 3 simple tasks is just signing up a free account, choose any of the broadcasts that you can listen music for, and get paid. It's easy as ABC. It's a free website. Anybody can sign up, and it's for all over the world. Wherever you are, whether in Nigeria or in America or in China or in India, you can make money with Cash for Minutes. You can also refer a friend. You will be so amazed with this service. You want to share it as we are so nice. We have introduced a refer a friend scheme which allows you up to 5 invite requests per day. Yes, when you invite 5 persons per day, you can cash out that any instantly. It's very easy and it's very legit. As you can see, they're showing people with testimony how they have cash out their different earnings. How they have cash out earnings every day from this Cash for Minutes. Now the second website I'm going to show you is called Radio Now RadioN.com is kind of a broadcast website. You just have to listen to FM, choose any of the FM link and just start listening to them. In this Radio end, you can still play the radio in background. You can listen, you can play music on this FM, and you start receiving your money. All you have to do is just sign up a free account. After signing up a free account, you sign in after registration, log in and see your account, start radio or use API, start earning by click or open on your radio links. You see, and earn payouts. Every 15 minutes you get points. These points will be converted at the following month to USD, dollar, and you can get your money via bank transfer, Amazon cards, or Bitcoin. So as you can see, it's a very legit website. You see, so whenever you're on this website, you can make so much money. Just listing for just few minutes, and then boom, your money will start popping up. And at the end of the month, it get converted automatically to USD. You can cash it out with bank card or Amazon. Now I'm going to show you another website. That website is called Music X-Ray. Now Music X-Ray is kind of a website where you upload music. You can also listen music on this website to get paid. Now in this Music X-Ray, if you are talented in singing songs, right, for those people who want to be a musician, if you're talented in singing songs and yet you don't have any studio, okay, maybe you don't have money to go to studio, you can just upload your music here and you can see it will get rated whether it is good, whether you can get uploaded on the internet. When you upload your music here, you can get it rated. People will comment on this your music, they will rate it whether it is good, and you also you can rate other people's music and get paid. Whenever you upload music here, people is going to rate it and you get your money paid. You see, all these websites are free. You can sign up on them. So thank you for listening. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.